On the national front, the All Progressive Congress says its forthcoming national convention and congresses will reflect the party's growth and expand in diversity for an influx of new members and governors. The national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Dr. Nentawe Yilwatda, said preparations are underway to ensure the party's next national convention is inclusive and well coordinated across all levels of government. Dr. Yilwatda spoke to the State House correspondents on Thursday after a closed-door meeting with President Bola Tinubu at the presidential villa in Abuja. He said the meeting reviewed preparations for the party's convention and internal congresses with key stakeholders from government and party structures in attendance. According to the APC chairman, pre-convention planning has brought together the party's national leadership, the National Assembly caucus, and the subnational leaders to harmonize timelines and strategies. Dr. Yilwatda said the party is aligning its timetable to ensure smooth coordination and inclusivity at both national and subnational levels. He also noted that the APC has continued to expand since President Tinubu assumed office, with new members and governors joining the ruling party, making it necessary to design processes that accommodate both old and new stakeholders. Dr. Yilwatda described President Tinubu's input at the meeting as pivotal, citing his political experience as a major factor behind the party's recent growth.
It was just a brief meeting to review the preparation for the convention and the congresses and the synergy between all arms of government so that we can be on one page, the subnational, the national, and the National Assembly and the party. And I think we achieved everything we wanted to achieve in the course of doing that. Same timetable, the same planning activities, but just to study the environment and review our preparation as a party and to ensure inclusivity, both the national and subnational. I want to carry everybody along the party. We have new members who have come in, new governors, new members. The party is expanding every day. We are growing beyond bounds. We want to ensure that in the course of this growth, everybody and nobody is left behind. Excellent. Mr. President, as you know, is a shrewd politician, very experienced, and his advice was remarkable. And I think that's why we're here today. The expansion, the growth is because of his experience and his depth of knowledge in political cycle. Thank you.
The APC has recorded a wave of defections from opposition parties since the 2023 general elections and currently controls 29 of Nigeria's 36 governorship seats. The party's national convention, scheduled for March 2026, is expected to shape internal realignment ahead of the 2027 general elections, including zoning arrangement and leadership composition.